Hello guys, welcome to PD Tech Teacher. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of the new boAt 240 Super Bass headset. So let's check it. As you can see, it's an Amazon package. Let's tear off the bill. I'm using a card knife to unbox it. As about the packaging was quite good by Amazon.in. Here comes our boAt headset. That's Super Bass boAt 240 headset. Let's check the packaging of the headset. The packaging looks good. There is a branding of boAt. Features written super extra bass, one button microphone, tangle free cable, and hands free pickup. Contains and about boAt company. Again, boAt branding, like some QR code for boAt for boAt joining boAt company, I guess, or some warranty purposes. Let's open it. No, it won't be open from this side. Let's break the seal. Oh, there is a nice bag for carrying headphone, I guess. The box or the bag looks nice. Some boAt introduction cards for warranty purposes. Let's open it. Oh, the headphone looks pretty well and feels pretty well also. The red and black combination looks nice. Sorry for the background noise, guys. The headset wire is tangle free and the jack is gold plated. Let's check what extra things we get inside the box. There is a bunch of AirPods. We get a hair clipper. Is used to clip your headphones with your ear when you are jogging, and a headphone clipper. Inside it, there is a bunch of AirPods. Really, a bunch of AirPods. Okay, guys. So these are the things we get inside the box. 5 pairs of AirPod, a card, introductory card, and back for headphone, the headset itself, ear clippers, and the headphone clipper. Okay, guys, that's for today. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for future videos. A review and a comparison of this headset is coming shortly. That's it, guys. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.